Something's gone wrong. Prepare all troops for... Abort the mission!
Our position's been compromised.
Obi-Wan, what's going on?
We're cut off! The droids are onto us!
Gunship, come in. Hawk, we need an evac in the South Tower.
Roger that, sir. We're coming.
South Tower. We're in the north.
Not for long. Rex, fire your cables.
Blast them!
This way is clear.
How did you get over here?
I improvised.